CASCOS has created a new generation of lifts. ILC, Intelligence Lift Control, is an innovative control system developed by CASCOS. It not only controls the operation of lift, but also allows us to display on the LCD screen information that improves the management and performance of the equipment. It is a new concept that will help you control and improve the profitability of your workshop, all through a friendly menu. ILC displays information about lifting cycles since the installation date, lifting cycles since a chosen reset, time lifted since the beginning, time lifted during the last repair, height from the floor at every moment. Evolution in a lift must be linked to safety. Therefore, our new ILC system issues visual and acoustic warnings in case of serious breakdowns and locks the lift. Offers the possibility to lock the lift with a password code. Your lift always in good shape. Preventive maintenance extends the life of your lift. ILC displays messages about the recommended maintenance according to the number of cycles and/or the time elapsed. Your lift always working. Time is money. The ILC screen makes problem solving easier through messages that indicate the origin of the failure and the possible corrective actions. Making your work easier and more comfortable. Our ILC system allows you to preset different working heights depending on the type of work to be done or the height of the operator.
Oh.